What's up, Fit Squad? This is Brad, aka 2 Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today we're heading on over to Speed Zone. Gonna link up with the homie Ryan and Frantz, and then got a little business at Speed Zone. But after that, we're gonna head to Ryan's house. And today's the day we're gonna finally get the Underglow kit installed on Frantz's car, Bandit, because he won the first giveaway I did, the one that was only open to internal Fit Squad, and so. He's the one who got the Underglow kit. So now I'm about to go and do that. But always, don't forget, link in the description below for merch. But yeah, let's go ahead and head on over there. This video should be coming out on Black Friday. So we will have a Black Friday sale going on. And it should be going through well into Cyber Monday as well. So the code for that will be in the description below. I don't know exactly what it's going to be just yet, but that will be in the description below. Not 100% sure on all of the prices that it's going to be a discount, but I'll throw that on the screen because I should have everything sorted out by then. But yeah, let's go ahead and head on over to Speed Zone. Alright, just pulling up the Speed Zone. Got Bandit here. That's pretty clean. Let's go ahead and talk to the fellas real quick. Alright, so we all here. Got what we needed from Speed Zone. Now we're about to head on over to Ryan's house. So I'm going to follow him. And I'll pick up when we get there. Alright, so he's just pulling up. Ryan's about to pull Bandit into the driveway, which should be good. His brother's just getting home. Got plenty of room. The scraping is what I'm worried about. Shouldn't be too bad though. Can't go around it. Alright, so we had to get Bandit up on these blocks because he's so low.
Yes.
Both sides like that, but pretty soon you're gonna have the Underglow.
The reaction coilovers, honestly, has been more better performing than the DC coils. Like I drive it hard. Like Ace Cafe, all those bumps and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Oh, I drove it.
Yeah.
What I want to do is start keeping the plates under here and just cutting them down to where I won't have to remove them. Yeah. I don't think I'm having to cut them.
Well, I'm glad we missed the cold start because that thing hurt. That hurt. I think that's the first cold start I heard on it. Alright, so lined up. Probably gonna, when he's done getting ready, we're gonna go head out, grab something to eat. All lined up, should look pretty good at night with all the lights on. Alright. Somebody done turned his off. being the eyeball. But yeah, just getting lined up. About to eat. There we go. Gotta get a nice little thumbnail too.
I think that's perfect color right there.
Yeah. Definitely. Alright. That's pretty much gonna do it for this video. I think it turned out pretty well. Definitely let me know what you guys think. Yeah, I'm sure Frantz is gonna be posting a lot of pictures and videos and stuff on his Instagram. If you aren't following him, make sure to follow him. I'll put a link to his Instagram as well as Ryan's Instagram, who did the install. So definitely hit him up, especially if you're in the Central Florida area and you need some work done. He's a good dude. He helps out a lot, and definitely a good person to get stuff installed by. I plan to have some more work done here pretty soon, and I'm definitely hitting up Ryan again for it. But yeah, that's pretty much gonna do it. Like I said, thank you all for tuning in. Don't forget, we got the Black Friday sale starting. It'll be going through Cyber Monday as well. So yeah, I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.